Welcome back, dear children. So today we will see what are complex fractions. Fractions having either or both the numerator and denominator as a fractions or a mixed numbers, they are known as complex fractions. Generally we know that the fractions are in the form of a by b, where a and b are the natural numbers. If this a and b both are in the form of again fraction, that means they are called complex fractions. Like for example, here you can see 1 by 4 divided by 3 by 8. Here numerator and denominator both are in the form of fractions. 2 by 1 upon 3. Here 2 is a whole number and this 1 by 3 denominator is in the form of fraction. And here numerator and denominator both are in the form of mixed fractions. 7 upon 4 1 by 7. In this case the denominator is in the form of mixed fraction. So complex fractions are the fractions where either or both the numerator and denominator are of fractions. So let's see how to simplify these fractions. We are having this example 1 by 4 divided by 3 by 8. Children, we have rules to divide the fractions, so we can solve in this case like that only. Here this main line is work as a division. We'll write it first. 1 by 4 divided by 3 by 8. This main fraction line is here is nothing but the division. So we know that the rules of division of fractions, that we need to convert this operation into multiplication and invert or flip the next, that is a second fraction. So we'll write it 1 by 4 into, we need to flip this 3 by 8, it become 8 by 3, and simplify wherever possible. So we can simplify it. 4 ones are here, 4 twos are 8, and now 2 ones are divided by 3. So this is a simplified form of this complex fraction. Next we are having 6 1 by 3 divided by 9. So we'll write first in the form of division. Here this main line is work as again the fraction. Here it is 9. 6 1 by 3 will convert into the improper fraction. So for that conversion what we need to do, we need to just multiply this 6 with this 3 and we have to add 1 it and then divide by 3. So 6 3 is a what? 18 will get. 18 plus 1 19. 19 by 3. Division 9. 9 is nothing but 9 by 1. So now we get our regular division of fractions. So we'll solve it. First fraction we'll write as it is. We'll convert the division into multiplication. And this 9 by 1 will flip it. It become 1 by 9. So here it is not possible to simplify. So just take the product of numerator, that is 19 ones are 19, and here 3 nines are what is there, that is 27. So here it become 19 upon 27. Next example we are having 2 divided by 5 by 3. Here our numerator is in the form of whole number and denominator is in the form of fraction. We'll write 2 as it is. This division sign will go change into the multiplication. 5 by 3 will flip, it will get 3 by 5. Here it is not possible to simplify, so just take the product of numerator, that is 2 3s are 6 and this is 5. 6 by 5. So complex fractions are the fractions in which case either numerator or either denominator or otherwise both are fractions. Hope you have understood it. Thank you.